For traffic, this is how we go about it. We love using the concept of what I call omnipresence. We don't stay on one platform, we just stay on that platform and do nothing else. What we do is when we're selling physical products, for paid ads, we have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google. For our organic, meaning promoting this product without paid ads, we're going to be using TikTok, and that is if you are not running paid ads with TikTok. So I'm going to be using TikTok for the organic. I'm going to hop right into my system now, and I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook ad that will sell a physical product, right? I'm also going to show you how that ad can also display on your Instagram. If you're able to follow all of these things that I have told in these videos, you are definitely on your 10K month. Definitely. Take care. Hello people. So in this part of the course, we're going to treat how to get results and how to get the best out of our budget, even though we have a lot of people tracking, a lot of people opting out of iOS tracking or opting out of Facebook tracking due to the iOS 14 updates. This is how to create ads that will still show to people even though they are iPhone users, right? Now, remember earlier in the early part of this course, we spoke about setting up YouTube videos, setting up your Google ads, and also Google Analytics. If you have your Google Analytics set up correctly, that would be of great help to you right now. But anyways, let me show you how to set up the ads first. So as usual, we want to create an ad. We go over to create, and then we pick conversions, right? We click continue. The essence of this entire thing is we're trying to create campaigns that will have certain ads that will be shown to people on iOS only, right? So when the tracking or the data from these ads go to our website, remember it cannot be tracked by Facebook, so the data will go to our website, and then our website will be able to will open up our website analytics, and that would show us, okay, this is the total amount of sales were made from those that came from this particular traffic source, and there will be a tag attached to the traffic source. So from that traffic source, you'll be able to know, okay, the ones that came from Facebook and how much of the how much was spent on them and how much conversions were made from them, right? And that can only be seen if you have your Google Analytics set up correctly. So it's not a permanent solution, but it's something we can work with for now with the entire iOS 14 tracking and all happening. Good. So give your conversion a name, give your campaign a name, remember. And then you go next. Pardon my data. In placements, you select manual placements, right? Good. Manual placements, and then you scroll down to where it says show more options. It says specific devices. It says all mobile devices. What you're going to pick here is Android devices only, right? Good. Android devices only. Good. You don't touch anything about OS versions or anything, right? So it's showing to Android devices only, and you give your ad set a name. Give it a name. Call it Android only, right? You do all your setting up. If you're trying to show if you're trying to use a pixel, you're trying to put in interest, everything, you do that the usual way, right? So now you go next. So you see this is set up for just Android devices, right? Now you come over here and you're going to duplicate this ad set. You're going to quickly duplicate the ad set, right? Good. So now you can see it. One ad set says Android only, the other one says Android only copy, because it's a duplicate of it. Now what you're going to do here is you are going to name this iOS only. iOS only. Okay, but how is this iOS only when it's still going to show to people on Android devices? Just chill, my friend. Chill, my friend. I will show you how everything will be set up. Okay, as usual, we only optimize for purchase. So we put purchase. We keep going down. We turn off our detailed targeting. We put in the languages, put in our interests, everything we want from that level, we put them. Now, on placement, it says all devices. Now, all devices, here we're going to pick mobile only. Okay, mobile only. Now, it's still showing to Android devices. How do we get this to be changed to iOS? This is how. After the mobile devices, after picking the platform, which is mobile only, it is time to come to the devices. So now, specific mobile devices and operating systems, you're going to click edit and you put iOS devices only. Wow, wow. iOS devices only. You see that? Now, iPads, iPhones, iPods, all is going to be shown to those people. But take note, these ads cannot be tracked. You cannot still see the metrics for these ads properly on your Facebook Ads Manager, but your Google Analytics will show you everything you need to see about them, and you would see how much your ad is spending. At least with the way this has been set up, you would it would give you the room or the opportunity for your ads to spend at least, right? So they would spend and they would spend correctly, because the people opting out, you have less people opting out, and then you would also be able to track even those that do not opt out. Okay, what's their activity when they get when they see the ad? What do they do? Are they converting well? It will then let you know, okay, if this is a good idea or not, right? Make sure you put in all the metrics, all the details. If you are using if you're using a retargeting audience, if you're using cold audiences, just put in everything the way you would usually do it, right? Good. Now on the ad level for this iOS only, you're going to come in, you set up everything you need to do here, create your ad. On the ad creation level, you scroll down to the end, and where it says URL parameter, you click build a URL parameter, right? Now the campaign level, you'd say Facebook, that's the name. On the dynamic parameter, on the campaign medium, you would say iOS, you could say iOS devices, you could say iOS devices only, right? You could say that. And dynamic, you would say campaign name, and a campaign name. On dynamic parameter, you could say campaign name. And on the last one, where they say campaign content, you would say ad name. ad name, right? Good. So this is going to allow for proper tracking. You'll be able to see when you go into your Google Analytics, when people click this particular ad and they come into your website, remember your Google Analytics will be able to pick up information about them. It will also show you the conversions, the cost per conversions, everything you need to know about this particular ad. I'm not saying it's the best way to do this, but it's a way to get ahead of the entire iOS 14 tracking and everything everyone is saying right now. So you do all of that and then you click apply, right? And if everything else about your ad has been set up, all you need to do after this is to click publish, right? So if you didn't set up your Google Analytics perfectly the first time, please go back and fix that up, right? Fix that up, fix your Google Analytics. It is very, very important. There's a reason why I showed you everything that has been shown in this program so far, because everything is very important. So anyways, that's how to know if that's how to get information and how to see the analytics from people from iOS devices, and how to create ads even on Facebook that would still be tracked regardless of the device they are on. And then with this way, you'll be able to know if the spend from the iOS devices ad is working very well and you need to scale on that, or you need to stop it. Chances are it would be working out very well because those on those devices usually have a high spending power, right? I've tried this a couple of times in the last few weeks and it's working out very, very well for me. I've even started scaling one of them